guys, these people's service is so good. Like, you guys remember like 4 days ago that I told you guys we are that we are traveling, right? So I carry one luggage of return. So that is me going to laundry.
Go and keep it in the front side or back of the seat.
Achalugo, ready to go. Which all of you already see the video. Like today that they have already bring the laundry. Like these people did a great job. Like when I mean a great job, they did a very good job. Like their service is very good. You know, out of all the service I ever use, this one is the best. They have to bring it home by themselves. At the same time, maybe if you have another clothes, like now I have another small wear that I want them to wash. They still pack it along. They are very simple. They don't even go to their shop anymore because this is actually my first time meeting them. Like they did a great job. So this one is the laundry they did. So this one is our duvet. And also there is also duvet. 2-in-1 is here. Like it's so neat. Very soon now winter is going to come, guys. Like we have already prepared for it. Because I don't want all those type of inner coat. So all this one is like we have so much duvet over here. 4 days ago we still have to buy new set of duvet. You guys already see the video. You guys, at this point we are done, so we are going now. Because I like to cover myself a lot. I don't want to go and the set and the keys. So because we have to take all this to the laundry, so we have to buy a set of new ones. All this one now is the bed cover. So they have 1, 2, 3-in-1 over here. And also bed cover, about 2-in-1 is here. The same time bed and pillowcase cover, and also bed cover. Like this will really try you. They are going to be doing our laundry. Like they really did a great job. I just love their service. You just come now, keep this one, the same time pick new one, and it's so affordable. You know, it's so affordable. So all this thing now, all this thing, it's under 1,000 rupees. They used to wash it under 1,000 rupees. All this, look at under 1,000 rupees to wash all this. And now they still pick new ones. It's so good. Like anytime I see say clothes is there, no need to stress myself. Just keep. I want they call. They will just take it and help me do the laundry. It's so good. So you guys, we are preparing for the winter, right? So I don't know when it's coming. So we'll see. How many months now? Don't know. You guys, let me know in the comment section, like how long are we going to wait for winter? Is it coming very soon, or is still have much time to come? Anyway, you guys are just there. So let me let you guys know that we are back on the vacation. Instrument of sleeping. See you guys later. Back.